Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. We're thrilled to have you here as we continue our journey through the world of Python programming. In today's video, we'll dive into while loops, one of the most essential tools for writing efficient and dynamic programs. A while loop allows you to repeat a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. This makes it perfect for tasks where you don't know in advance how many times the loop will need to run. Whether you're processing user input, automating repetitive tasks, or solving complex problems, the while loop is your go-to solution for flexible iteration. Let's jump in and see how while loops work in action. Loops are essential in programming for repetitive tasks. In Python, while loops are used when iterations depend on a condition. Unlike for loops, which iterate over sequences, while loops continue as long as the condition is true. While loops are versatile, handling tasks like user input, game mechanics, and system monitoring. However, ensure the condition becomes false to avoid infinite loops. This guide covers the structure, use cases, and best practices for using while loops in Python. We'll discuss the syntax, initialization, and condition, explore common use cases, and highlight best practices to avoid infinite loops and use break and continue statements effectively. The basic syntax of a while loop includes a condition and a code block. The condition is a Boolean expression evaluated before each iteration, and the code block runs repeatedly as long as the condition is true. Here's the basic syntax of the while loop, and the while is followed by the condition that will be evaluated, and then the code is blocked to execute while the condition is true. Here's an example of a loop that increments a counter from 1 to 5, printing its value at each step. The break statement is used to exit a loop when a specified condition is met. It can be applied in various types of loops and requires a defined condition to trigger the break, altering the normal flow of the loop. The continue statement is used in loops to skip the rest of the loop body for specific conditions such as even numbers. This improves code efficiency and readability. Nested while loops are essential for iterating over multi-dimensional data structures. They are particularly useful for processing arrays and matrices, with the outer loop managing rows and the inner loop managing columns. Here are various examples of loop applications: verifying passwords, simulating countdown timers, processing lists, rolling dice until a score is reached, continuous user interaction, and calculating factorials. To use while loops effectively, ensure the loop terminates, use breakpoints for debugging, and avoid overcomplicating conditions. The while loop is crucial in Python for tasks needing repetition based on dynamic conditions. It's used for validating user input, creating interactive applications, and monitoring processes offering flexible and repetitive tasks. That wraps up our introduction to while loops in Python. You've learned how this powerful tool can help you create flexible and efficient programs by repeating tasks based on a condition. With practice, you'll find that while loops become an indispensable part of your coding toolkit. Thank you for joining us at Destin Learning. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Until next time, happy coding and goodbye.